Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing this perfect dark ombre nails. They're like red to black gradient nails. I wanted to do this for so long, so I wanted to share with you how you can do it as well. You want to start off by painting your nails with bright red and let them completely dry. After that, you want to protect your cuticles with something called nail protectors, or you can really use anything that you like. And also you're gonna need 3 shades of a red, and also you're gonna need black color. So these are the shades that I will be using. You need something that is going to be like brightest red that we painted our nails with. We're gonna have transition color, and then we want to have a black or really dark deep burgundy color that is almost like black. So then you're gonna apply it on the sponge in order from lightest to darkest, and then you want to sponge it on your nail from lightest to darkest, and you want to overlap the colors a little so they blend better. And then you just want to sponge them on your nails, and you want to have your nails completely dry before sponging anything on. So you just do it like I'm doing it in the video. It's pretty self-explanatory. And after that you want to apply second coat, and ta-da, there you have it. And then on the end I'm gonna concentrate and apply a little bit more of dark color, just so we can have that concentration of darkest color at the tip of our nail. And there you have it. After a cleanup, you have to apply top coat, because top coat will melt everything together, and you can definitely see the difference once I apply top coat. And you can see the nail that doesn't have top coat, but with top coat looks much better, because top coat just melts everything together, makes it a whole like nail. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in comments. I think this nail look is perfect for Halloween. That's why I'm doing it right now, but also I think it's perfect for any occasion when you want to have like dark nails, or maybe even fall. I think it's perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what you think in comments, because I love seeing your feedback. And also please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and you can also now follow me on Instagram, which is Don't Know, and you will have everything in the description box, so check it out. I'm gonna go now, but never let anyone dull your sparkle. Bye.